Big buck hunter. Intermittent sound problems. Look, there's the ticket number.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
As you can see, sound works intermittently. I've tried 2 speakers. And here's the volume problem. It just goes up. Hear that? And check the wiring. Here's the audio cable that goes into the back. And we'll switch out for this little old speaker here from another unit. And as you can hear, or can't hear, it's not making any noises. So I don't know if it's the audio controller in here or the volume control. I did replace the volume control. Here's the old one in here. The old volume control. Here's the 2 switches. Let me know what's going on.